Ever pondered the secret behind those captivating YouTube thumbnails that hook your attention instantly? Today, we unravel the mystery behind crafting those attention-grabbing YouTube thumbnails that can skyrocket your video views. In the vast ocean of YouTube content, a thumbnail is your beacon, a lighthouse that guides viewers to your content. Crafting a compelling thumbnail is an art, and today we're diving deep into this artistry. Firstly, it's crucial to understand the importance of a thumbnail. It's the first thing a viewer notices, even before the title. It's the book cover of your video, and we all know, despite the saying, books often are judged by their covers. So let's kick off with the first step, choosing the right image. Ideally, opt for a high-resolution image relevant to your video content. If you're talking about baking, show a delicious baked good. If it's about travel, let's see some breathtaking landscapes. The image should draw the viewer in and give them a hint of what they'll discover in your video. Next, we navigate to the land of editing software. There are numerous options available, but Adobe Photoshop, Canva, and Snappa stand out as the most popular choices. These platforms provide a plethora of tools to enhance your selected image and make it stand out from the crowd. The third step is about adding text to your thumbnail. This should be short, snappy, and engaging. It should complement your video's title, not echo it. A catchy phrase, an intriguing question, or a bold statement can work wonders here. Remember, the font you choose should be easily readable even on smaller screens. The final step, well, it's all about the finishing touches. This is where you can play with colors, add borders, or use filters. A rule of thumb here, keep it simple. Overcrowding your thumbnail with too much detail can make it look messy and unappealing. To summarize, an attractive YouTube thumbnail requires a relevant, high-resolution image, edited using software like Adobe Photoshop, Canva, or Snappa. The image should be adorned with concise, engaging text, and embellished with simple yet effective finishing touches. Remember, your thumbnail is a visual representation of your video content. It's your first impression, your foot in the door. So take the time to perfect it and watch as your video views soar. Master the art of thumbnail creation, and you're not just creating an image, you're crafting a beacon, a lighthouse that shines brightly amidst the vast ocean of YouTube content. Let your beacon shine, and let the world discover the treasure that is your video content.